Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. First thing first, log into your Bitget account on the app or website, then tap on the assets icon, which is the wallet symbol on the right side of the menu bar. After that, tap withdraw to continue. Now tap on fiat, then select the fiat currency you'd like to withdraw, for example USD, Euro, etc. Now choose your payment method such as a bank transfer, then tap next. Type in the amount you want to withdraw and enter your bank account details. Carefully review everything, especially your bank info and the transaction fee. Note that this fee is set by the bank, not Bitget. Once everything looks correct, complete the security verification steps such as 2FA or email confirmation. After that, submit your request and your fiat withdrawal will be processed. You've successfully learned how to withdraw fiat to your bank account using the Bitget app. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.